Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a spark plug. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and potential damage. For crucial safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This simple step prevents accidental electrical shorts while you are working on the engine. Now, carefully remove the spark plug wires or individual coil packs, noting their positions for reinstallation. Use your spark plug socket and ratchet to gently unscrew each old plug. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the old plug. Look for signs of wear, excessive fouling, or any physical damage, as this can indicate other engine issues. Before installing, always check the new spark plug's gap using a feeler gauge to match your vehicle's specifications. A small amount of anti-seize compound on the threads helps prevent future seizing. Hand tighten the new plug into the cylinder head to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's recommended setting, ensuring a proper seal. To finish up, carefully reconnect the spark plug wires or coil packs, ensuring each connection is secure and in its original position. Reattach the battery's negative terminal, then start your engine to confirm everything is running smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises and check for proper idle. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.